welcome to a very short demonstration of CopyBee application. So CopyBee is an artificial intelligence software that helps you, generate better content copies with the power of artificial intelligence. It also, users also have access to be able to access over over hundreds of templates in different industries in over 100 languages. Customers can create blog content from full blog posts to marketing copies to landing page copies, and it also comes with the ability to translate any language using Google Translate. Users can be able to create product descriptions, digital copy, Facebook headlines, Google descriptions, website copy, blog tools, email copy, social media posts, Instagram captions, short text hooks, TikTok posts, YouTube descriptions, sales copies, brand names or slogans, name it. I believe you get the idea. Amazon description ideas. I could go on and on and on. CopyBee was developed by 2 engineers in about 3 months, to create this masterpiece. This is it's fully ready to go, live, and we are working constantly on the background on improving the interface of the app to the functionality, and of course adding new features. We have a dedicated team that is in charge of the maintenance to ensure that any feature a customer recommends is being implemented. So I'm going to dive into how CopyBee works. So I'm logging into CopyBee right now. So on the dashboard, it shows you actually what you're doing today. You can choose to create the content for your website, email copy, for your campaigns. Could be a blog post, could be an advertising copy, could be, probably you're looking for something for your startup, maybe a brand slogan you want to generate, or maybe you just want to, generate ideas around your social media post, or you want to write a sales letter for your product, for your campaigns, for your e-commerce campaigns, or for your Black Friday, you could write e-commerce copy, and you could also decide maybe you want to write a love letter to your lovers, or a birthday card to your mom, but it's a love letter to your darling wife or girlfriend, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to go through other features of the app before I proceed. So we have ability to be able to create workspaces. So businesses, corporate individuals can actually create workspace. You can decide to change your profile, your name, add new passwords. You can decide to update your photo. You could do something here. And I can also, so that's loading. So I can also decide to add in new workspace. Maybe I need another workspace. Workspace. So I create a workspace. It takes me to another tab. Then it automatically adds me to this workspace. So I can add my team members on this workspace. I can add 1,000 workspaces. Depending on how many employees I have and what I want them to access. Okay, so we're looking at the dashboard area right now, and I'm going to try creating a copy. Okay, I'm going to start with maybe a call to action. Or let me start with a call to action. So maybe the name is Prime. Just gonna get the product description of Primers. Just to show you on the sites. I'm going to add the tone. Do I want it voila, we have a copy created around my actions. I can decide to copy my content. I can decide to copy my content. I can also decide to add it to my favorites, and you can see here it has generated copy for me in different industries, in different tone, and I can decide to do a translation from English to Dutch. Yeah, we have that. Or from Dutch to Fiji, or from Fiji to Chinese. So you see, you get the idea. And or from Chinese to English. Okay, so I believe you get the idea. But let me change it to another language, for example, and yeah, copy, and I use my copy on my Estonian blog or on an Estonian language, and I can also decide to add it to my favorites. And check the history of the copies I've created. So you see here, I just created a copy for Primos, and we have a Primos copy here, and you can see that I added it to my list of favorites. So we have it here. I can also view my favorite button. I can decide to translate, add, remove my copy. Okay, so I can do this and even more with my CopyBee, with the CopyBee software. So we also have a page builder that we are hosting separately at the moment. We're putting some finishing touches to it. This will be hosted separately, for users to be able to create websites for their businesses. This is not part of the software, but it comes in as a bonus. So I just thought to add that in. So there you have it. Please note, we're still the app is fully done. So if you need us to add in more categories, more industries, we are free to work in. All you just need to do is work on the icons and finish up the categories. But for now, CopyBee is ready to be released. Let me know what you think. Thank you, and have a great one. Cheers.